Okay, ready to go see our land for the first time?
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Drink up! It's time to head out. We're gonna go check out the land that we purchased the first time. We were gonna look at it after purchasing it. And it's gonna be a thing. Here we go. You got nothing to say?
Nothing to say.
What are you looking at? Quick stop for lunch. I'm pretty sure this is it, like right here. That is west, north, east.
These trees are nice. Looking like you could trim them how you want.
Try and keep these trees when we knock down and clear the land. Maybe that one in the back there. Boom, boom. Okay, so our land is right next door. This is our neighbor, and our land starts like right here. That's like full-on limestone and like an open thing in the bottom. The ground is like rocky limestone. And this is why we can't grow any fruit trees on here, because of the type of ground it is. It's not soil. So
That's the back of the lot marker.
all right, so if this is the back, then look how deep our land is, all the way to the front there. Oh my gosh, this is for real, babe. This is for real. So I mean, we could have something like this kind of wood. We like a wood look. Is this not mangrove though?
I don't think so, but whatever all of this is, this was all cleared.
And then grew back in.
Still already.
That's the thing. If you clear your land too soon, it'll just grow right back. So don't clear your land too soon. Clear it when you're ready to get things going. Clear your land when you're ready to get things going. I didn't notice this. This is the end of the road. It's supposed to connect and turn around the corner. So they brought all this rubble. It just needs to be flattened. And then down there, closer to the end of their road, is where their house will be built.